Hey Codingers, so basically in today's GFG POTD we have a problem, palindrome sentence, and it is a easy level problem. And as the problem statement is given a single string S, the task is to check if it is a palindrome sentence or not. A palindrome sentence is a sentence of characters such as word, phrases, or series of symbols that reads the same backward or forward after converting at uppercase letters to lowercase and removing all non-alphanumeric characters including spaces and punctuations. So here we have like examples here, which is like too hot, too good. Okay, so if we know very well about palindrome, that means those words which we can like spell from starting or like from last, we get the same result. Like in that case also here, so that is called as palindrome. So here we have also like too hot, too hoot. Okay, so if we spell it from the back also, again we actually getting too hot and then too hoot. Okay, so here we have to say true. Okay, so if we remove all the non-alphanumeric characters, okay, and convert all the uppercase letters to a lowercase string, then it will become too hot, too hoot, which is a palindrome. Okay, and similarly if I'm talking about the second example, we have like ABC and then 012 and then 2 hashtag, then again 10 and then CBA. But here we can get here like here ABC. Okay, here again ABC, then again 012 and here again 01. Okay, and then after that here we have 2 star star. Okay, 2 has, again here we return true. If we remove all the non okay non-alphanumeric characters and convert all the uppercase to a lowercase, string will become like ABC and then 0. Okay, then 2 1, which is same. If we read from backward also, again we get the same thing. But if I'm talking about the third example here, so here we have like ABC, which is from the starting, but from the back it is not starting from ABC, so here to return false. Okay, as it is not a palindrome. And here we have to solve this problem with an expected time complexity of order of n and expected auxiliary space of order of 1. This question is like asked in Flipkart, and it is like completely based on like 2 pointers algorithm, strings, palindrome, data structures, and algorithms. So let's try to solve this problem here. So as I have like, for solving these types of problems we have like lots of methods. The first approach is like we can simply like uh, declare any variables and initialize with empty strings, and then after that we have to like first of all like read it from the back, and or like we can simply take complete strings into it, and then after that we have to read it from back, and then after that we have to check whether the duplicate value is like equal to original value or not. If it is like that, then we can simply say return true, else we have to return false. But it is only suitable for that case if we don't have any extra space or any extra characters. Okay, or if we don't have to perform any uppercase to lowercase. So I am going to provide a better way which can like solve those types of problem also and this type of problem also. Like if we have if we don't have any space, or if we don't have any extra characters or any other values, then also this approach is like suitable for that example also. And this example which I am going to show here, this is also suitable for this problem also. Okay, so what I'm going to solve is here I'm going to like declare a string type of value, let's say string result. Okay, and here I'm just initializing with empty string, and then after that what I have to do, I need to like traverse it inside the string and read it and simply uh, store it in our result variable. Okay, so here for character C, which is traversing inside S, okay, which is our string. Then after that here we have to say if here we have to use a method which is particularly C++ is all num. Okay, it is actually a method which basically checks whether the string is having any alphanumeric values or not. Okay, so here we have to just simply pass our C. Okay, and I can also write it here. That means let's say here it checks for alphanumeric value, and we also want alphanumeric value. If both are these things, then it is suitable for palindromes. Okay, if it is there, then now here we have to convert it our strings which is like in uppercase, maybe like in uppercase, so here we have to convert it into the lowercase. So here we can simply say that here to store result plus is equal to 2 lowercase. Okay, then after that we have to simply pass our character C. Once we have like passed these things, now we are actually stored our complete palindrome sentence into a result variable. Okay, now we need to check for the palindrome values. So palindrome values, so how we can do these things? Now again we have to like traverse. Okay, so and here we have to check whether the string is palindrome or not. So here we can solve it by using like we can say it binary search way. Okay, or like by using we can say it two pointers algorithms. Okay, so here we have to define, first of all, let's say I'm saying that int left is equal to 0. Okay, and int right is equal to whatever is the size of our result. So here to define result dot size. Okay, that means I'm pointing it to the last. That means here I'm going to solve this problem by using two pointers. So here I can say that while left is like less than right, then what we can do here, here we have to do, if left is like less than right, then here we have to check whether it is like equal to or not. So how we can do these things, here we have to check if if result of left, if result of left is not equal to, is not equal to result of right, then what we can do here, here we can simply return false. Okay, if they are not equal, then in that case here we have to return false, and then after it we can simply do left plus plus. Okay, moving our pointers, and right minus minus. Okay, decreasing side. Okay, until this condition will be like fulfilled. Once it will like check, and so if I'm saying that if result of left is not equal to result of right, then I have to return false as it is not matching. Okay, but in that if it is like matching, then in that case you have to return true. Okay, let me try to compile and run. So yeah, its compilation is completed, and let's try to submit it. So it's submitted. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.